I am making a coconut almond drink, which is very nutritious, and you can serve in any kind of kitty parties, and it is little different from just plain coconut water. So you need for that few almonds, coconut powder, sabza, a little sugar syrup, kevra water, or you can use rose water, or you can use elaichi powder also. And you have to choose a tender coconut with tender coconut, and you have to remove the tender coconut from inside the coconut shell, and coconut water. So for this we have to blend the almonds first in a mixie. Just first dry blend, and then we can add tender coconut, add the powder and a little coconut water. And blend it. Pour it in a glass of your choice. Add little sugar syrup and the rest of the coconut water. And the sabza and the kevra water. Give it a stir, nice stir, chill it, and serve.